Now we're doing the Motobilt JL rear inner fenders. Stick around. Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Clint, and this is part 2 of the Motobilt inner fender install. I'm going to be doing the rears today. Same as the front, no instructions, and I only found one video for the Motobilt rears, and it was completely useless. No useful information whatsoever. But I got it figured out for you guys. Alright, so your rears are going to come in 4 pieces. And they are stamped with part numbers on them. MB 1098-01, 1098-02, 1098-03, 1098-04. This one was misstamped on the set that I got. What you want to do to determine your left and right side, the Motobilt emblem is going to be towards the rear of the Jeep. So that this will be, when you turn it in towards the Jeep, this will be the driver's side. First thing we're going to do is try to piece all this together, and it's actually easiest. You start like this is the top piece. It's going to sit over top of your tire. So this is number 3. So if you'll take number 3 and number 2 and put them together like so. They've already got nutserts attached to them, so just loosely put you some bolts in there just to hold it all together. Then you're going to take number 4. It's going to have these 2 rib nuts at the top. They're going to fit in on number 3 like this. Well, dumbass, keep dropping your bolts. But you got these 3 pieces together. Now it's starting to look like something, right? This is going to be towards the front. This is going to be the rear. Remember, your Motobilt logo is going to go towards the rear. So you can see the first piece already has the nutserts in it. So this is going to go over like this. Now our rear inner fender is loosely assembled. Now we can bring it over here to your Jeep. Try to get it mounted up. just using the existing holes that are already in it from the factory. Now, y'all, this is just stamped aluminum. It's not going to be uncommon to have to massage it into place. Go. Now, I've just noticed a manufacturing defect on my set. If you look down here, here's another spot. You could put a bolt or something in there, but these things are in here tight, and the rest of them was put together. Those bolts are still loose. I imagine it's going to be plenty tight enough. But when you take your inner fenders out, there's another spot right over here. Look where my hole is. It's not even close. It should be down here. So Motobilt, your QC screwed up on this one. But that's all there is to it. You can put bolts in here. I wouldn't do that. I think it would be just fine to get their little plastic body tabs like what was in here. That's where your factory inner fender had a plastic body plug right in there. I think I would, if I was going to put anything here, I would use that. I wouldn't put a bolt in there. Now this is all attached to the tub. I'm gonna go back, tighten all these up, and that'll be that. Right on. These Motobilt products are 100% American made. I'm digging that. If you like these inner fenders, I'll have a link to them in the description. Go check them out. If you like this video, check out my install playlist right up here. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till the next time, keep the shiny side up. Jeep on.